To replace the horizontal louver on this Frigidaire air conditioner, you will need a flathead screwdriver. With the unit turned off, insert the flathead screwdriver to depress the side of the horizontal louver assembly so you can pull it out. Now use the screwdriver to help release the 8 vertical louver fins from the old horizontal louver and levers. To install the new horizontal louver, transfer the 2 levers from the old louver to the new one. Align and snap the 8 vertical fins into place on the levers and the new horizontal louver. With all of the fins in place, align the side notches in the louver with the mounting posts on the unit and snap the assembly into position. The air conditioner should now be ready for use.